Welcome to Affirming Abundance. Have you ever wondered how to manifest miracles in your life? According to the teachings of Neville Goddard, it is possible to bring about miraculous changes through the power of assumption and imagination. So, let's embark on a journey of possibilities together. First, let's embrace the empowering assumption that you are the creator of your reality. Your thoughts, beliefs, and assumptions shape the experiences you attract into your life. It's a profound realization that puts you in the driver's seat of your own destiny. Now, let's delve into the wondrous realm of imagination. Imagine it as a magical bridge that connects your current reality with the reality you wish to manifest. As you vividly imagine your desires as already fulfilled, you align your consciousness with the desired outcome. Picture it in your mind's eye and let your imagination soar. But imagination alone is not enough. It's time to bring focus into the equation. Direct your attention and energy towards your desired outcome. Refrain from dwelling on what you don't want or the limitations you perceive. Instead, dive deep into the feelings and sensations of having already achieved your miracle. Let the waves of positive energy wash over you. To truly bring your miracles to life, unwavering faith is essential. Believe, with every fiber of your being, that your desired miracle is already a reality. Even if your physical senses may suggest otherwise, trust in the unseen forces at work. Embrace the power of belief and watch the magic unfold. Persistence is the key that unlocks the door to your desired miracle. Consistently return to the assumption and imagination of your desired outcome, no matter the external circumstances or doubts that may arise. Keep the flame of your dreams burning bright, for miracles require steadfast dedication. In this journey, surrender becomes an act of liberation. Release the need for control and allow the natural unfolding of your desires. Let go of any attachment to specific outcomes, and watch as the universe orchestrates the most perfect and unexpected ways to manifest your miracle. Trust in the cosmic dance of synchronicity. And amidst it all, gratitude becomes your guiding light. Express heartfelt appreciation for the miracle as if it has already happened. Gratitude amplifies your positive energy, magnetizing more blessings into your life. Embrace the attitude of gratitude and watch your miracles multiply. Always remember that you possess an incredible power within you. By embracing these assumptions and incorporating them into your daily life, you can bring about miraculous transformations in just a matter of minutes. Trust in yourself, trust in the process, and witness the marvelous spectacle of miracles unfolding before your very eyes. Now, take a deep breath, believe in the extraordinary, and embark on your journey of manifesting miracles. The universe eagerly awaits your command. Thank you for watching.